Top 7 Best 3D Printers 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Raiza 3D Etwo. 3D printing has come of age, and machines like the Raiza 3D Etwo bring high-end FFF printing to the home, education, and business. This dual extrusion printer goes head-to-head with the Robox Pro and will fulfill most companies' design and development needs with slick business and network integration. The printer display is vast and detailed, and you can swiftly access all the printer settings through the fast and responsive touchscreen interface. You can print directly from a USB key, wired connection, network, or Wi-Fi, making it ideal if several people are utilizing the printer. You will also find many step-by-step videos for many of the printer's features. Home and educational users will benefit from a simple interface and near faultless reliability. The only drawback of this machine is its size and weight. Number 6. Anycubic Viper. If the world of 3D printing ever seemed too intimidating for you, look no further than the Anycubic Viper. While perfect for beginners with its auto-leveling feature and minimal assembly, seasoned printing hobbyists will also appreciate what it can offer, albeit with a few adjustments. As the automatic leveling might imply, the Anycubic Viper removes the need to align your build plate manually should you want to move the machine to a different location. It's fast and accurate, saving time when setting up your first print, which makes setting up and getting started a breeze. The touchscreen control panel is satisfyingly fast and easy to use, but we found that the estimated print completion time was consistently incorrect. Once the printer is properly optimized, you'll enjoy impressive print quality. Number 5. Original Prusa SL1S Speed. Prusa Research revolutionized the FDM 3D printer market, and this model looks set to do the same for SL printers. While this printer uses stereolithography technology, it's a slight variant known as MSLA. This uses a monochrome LCD and UV LED to expose the resin, which is cheaper than precision lasers, but just as accurate. The SL1S Speed replaces the outgoing SL1, and as you might have guessed from that model name, it's faster, around 10 times faster, and with a vastly improved print quality. The SL1S's design hasn't physically changed a great deal over the SL1. It features the same touchscreen LCD on the front, which is again good and responsive. The speedy new model looks set to lead the SL market with support from the excellent Prusa Slicer software and a huge open source community. Number 4. Trilab Delta Q2. This elegant Delta design should get your attention if you're looking for a professional 3D printer for fairly large and complex projects. It uses FDM technology to build 3D models from rolls of filament. Still, instead of the more common Cartesian printers, the Trilab Delta Q2 has a fixed round build plate with the extruder suspended between 3 arms that move the print head along 3 axes. It gives this model a fairly small footprint, while its high tower design ensures it can print some quite large pieces. And unlike most 3D printers, it has 2 extruder options, one for standard PLA and PEC and the other for flexibles. It just requires a little retooling to swap between them. The Trilab Delta Q2 uses some of the best components available in its construction, and the interface is a smartphone running a dedicated app. This handsome, high-end workshop printer would sit well in any laboratory, studio, or classroom. Number 3. Creality Ender 5 Zone. Having a predecessor with a decent reputation instantly puts pressure on the new model to perform. From the small amount of initial construction needed to build the printer to the outstanding bed leveling technology, the Ender 5 Zone proves to be a decent upgrade and on a completely different level of quality to the original Ender 5. The cube design might not be a true core XY printer, but the robust frame and tool head designs and precision enables a print quality that pits this printer against models that are at least twice the price. The design is refined, the tool head completely overhauled, and with upgrade options such as an enclosure and laser head, there's plenty of scopes to expand your creativity. This is a printer designed for both enthusiasts and small business users. Number 2. CellUK Robox Pro. CellUK is a leader in 3D printer innovation, with the original Robox printers introducing many new features to the world of FDM 3D printers. The Robox Pro is Robox on a large scale with a feature set that reads like a 3D print wish list. Autofilament loading, auto-bed leveling, Wi-Fi, network printing, and swappable tool heads. The main focus of the machine is quality and reliability, designed for anyone wanting a printer that can realize product ideas and get them to market. The enclosed design makes it an ideal choice for commercial and educational use. There's a sizable touchscreen panel built into the front of the machine. It displays the current materials and can be used to navigate settings and print directly from USB or other external drives. Number 1. Original Prusa Mini Plus. This affordable open-frame 3D printer is small enough to sit on your desk and easy enough to assemble yourself without expertise. It comes in kit form and uses FDM, fused deposition modeling, to turn popular modeling materials such as PLA, PEC, AZAL, ABS, and Flex into accurate printed products. There's a network LAN and USB port for simple connectivity and a user-friendly interface. The 2.8-inch 65-bit color screen makes navigating the options and settings easy, and on first starting the machine, it takes you step by step through the setup process. This entry-level printer should be the first choice for crafters, modelers, and engineering enthusiasts. The original Prusa Mini Plus is a replacement for the original Prusa Mini, minus the plus, the key advantage being that it now comes with a Super Pinda sensor, which is not temperature dependent, allowing the first layer calibration to be faster and more reliable. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best 3D printers 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.